Welcome to VIDUBER, the first and only video streaming and hosting platform of its kind. Whether you are a business owner, marketer, or influencer, video is the #1 way to promote your products or services and build your brand online. VIDUBER offers multiple recording options: record or upload video, record or upload audio only, and desktop recording, all with unlimited media storage. With ad-free hosting, you'll be sure to keep your viewers 100% focused on your content, without any distractions or disruptions. Each package offers unlimited bandwidth, file size, and duration on your uploads, all with an ultra-fast, responsive HD video player that is all stored safely in your secure and private media library. A great added feature, Testimonial Generator, allows you to get video testimonials from your fans or clients all over the world in seconds. Video testimonials have proven to dramatically boost sales on your products and services. And now it is simple to get video testimonials with Testimonial Generator. All it takes is a few clicks and your video testimonial is uploaded to your video library automatically. No coding or technical skills needed. Everything is done for you to embed content on your website. Just simply copy and paste and you're done. Then you have the ability to keep track of how well your content engages by clicking on the Stats tab and viewing the easy-to-understand visual graphs. Along with everything else, VIDUBER includes a stacked video lead page builder, allowing you to collect and to follow up with your leads with an email follow-up system that is already built in. With VIDUBER's first-of-its-kind affiliate program, you can collect a whopping 60% commission by promoting this amazing video platform. Earn a 35% direct sales commission, plus a 25% matching check based on the total sales volume from your direct sales. You have unlimited width on this 2-tier compensation plan structure. It's residual commissions for a lifetime. Each package includes a library of fun, engaging social media content such as video memes, animated GIFs, and banners, all in various dimensions so you can post on your different social media platform feeds to maximize your reach and spark curiosity, attracting high-quality leads to your business opportunity. Your VIDUBER software works on all major devices. Upload videos from your mobile device, tablet, or PC, or record directly to your video library with your device's camera. We are confident that you will love VIDUBER. Unlimited video storage and a 60% payout compensation plan. Video streaming has never been easier or more lucrative for your business or brand. Try VIDUBER today.